Meron din daw politician na 100 million ang sa'yo. Totoo ba yun lumapit?
Yun po ang hindi totoo. Wala pong lumapit to offer us that much money to endorse a politician.
But are you allowed? Ikaw ba mag-endorse ka ba ng politician sa elections or talagang hindi kayo pwede, bawal?
Ako po, personally, I really don't want to endorse anyone po. Kasi let's let them be, kumbaga, iba po itong showbiz to politics. I don't want to mix it po. So personally, the management din po, may mga offers din po kasi before, during mga first 2 months ng ALDAP, there have been offers po na for me to endorse a political party or a political person. Pero I took a stand po and sabi ko po, baka pwedeng dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate sa showbiz, not in the other side of the spectrum.
So kahit 100 million, 200 million pa yan, tatanggihan mo talaga?
Opo eh.
Wow!
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na, oo. O last na lang,
yes,
meron din kasing wishes, may kasama rin wish nung kanta mo, may wish, eto rin, wishes do come true. Ano pa yung mawi-wish mo kaya ngayon kung meron mang isang bagay?
Sana wag lang po kaming pabayaan ni Lord kasi sobra niyo po kaming binibless ngayon as of the moment. Lahat po ng tao around me, all the closest to me, my loved ones po. Sana wag lang po kaming pabayaan and tuloy-tuloy lang po yung blessings kasi gagamitin ko po itong blessings na to para makatulong sa ibang tao, to inspire and to make a difference in this industry po.
Thank you very much.